In this video, we will learn how to check your state pension age. So mine is 68 years and I'll reach in 2048. So let's learn how you can check this. For this, we will go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write check your state pension. Click search. The second section is check your state pension age. Click on this link. You will land on this page. At the bottom, it says start now. Click on this. You have two options. First option, state pension age. Second one, bus pass age. So let's check the bus pass age first. So let's suppose if I put my date of birth, click continue, you will come to this page which says on 1st May 2048. If you live in England, then that's when my bus pass age. Now let's check the state pension age. So let's suppose if we click on this link, go and you put your date of birth, continue, you will reach your state pension age on 1st May 2048. Your state pension age is 68 years old. This is how you can check. And if you wanted to know more about state pension, then click on this one, new state pension. This will explain you everything in detail. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have created loads of videos how you can claim benefits, how you can do everything yourself using the gov.uk.